Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm excited because we're talking about manifesting. So if you're new here, my name is Michelle Thames. I'm a social media strategist and digital content creator and influencer, and I own a social media agency where I help influencers, creatives, and small business owners to build strategies to market their brands on social media. But how I even am a social media strategist is manifested. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm into manifesting, and I pretty much manifested my whole entire life. It's been so crazy. Well, not really, because we're all super amazing beings and we can manifest anything. But I am just excited because recently in my business, I have been doing Money Mondays. So Money Mondays is where I do money generating activities. I write my money affirmations. I listen to some money tunes on Spotify and get into my week. And you guys, let me tell you what has happened since I manifested, or since I've implemented Money Mondays. Let me tell you what has happened since I implemented Money Mondays in my business. So the following things have happened. I received 2 checks in the mail within a week of me starting Money Mondays. One of the checks I knew was coming. One of the checks I had no idea was coming, but they came in the mail. The second thing that happened is my family gave me money for my birthday, y'all. This is huge because my family hasn't given me money in over 10 years, and every single one of my family members gave me money on my birthday. Gratitude. So I'm so grateful for that. I also got some leads in my business. I signed a new client. Y'all, Money Mondays is lit. When I shared it in the group, so many people in the group were like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna let you know, what has happened since the results. So I'm excited to see, how it has helped them. But implementing Money Mondays has really, it's been fun. I can say that I used to not have a really good relationship with money. And since, working on my relationship with money and being more intentional about a lot of things that I do when it comes to money, how I think of money, what I do when I get money, all of that, it just has helped me so much in my business and in my life. And I've been able to manifest some cash. So I'm so excited to continue implementing this in my business and to keep you updated on what else I continue to manifest when it comes to money. But I manifested about $2,500 in a week and a half, so it was crazy. So I want to know from you, do you manifest money? What is your relationship like with money? If you have manifested anything in your life too, let me know. I'll be going more deeper into manifestation and like what I do. I journal, do scripting, I do a lot of things, and I'll be sharing that with you. But I just want to know if you manifest and if you have, manifested some money, and what your thoughts are about money, how you feel about money. I would love to hear about that in the comments. Let's have a conversation about money. It's not bad to want money. Money is good. Money is energy. Money is amazing. Every time I say that, it's like, I feel good about money, and then money shows up in my bank account. Money shows up in the mail. Checks come. Opportunities come out of nowhere, and I'm just grateful always for the amount of money that I currently have. I think it's really important to be grateful for what you already have with anything that you want to manifest. It's important that you show your gratitude for your current state and show your gratitude for the current money that you already have. So thank you for all the money that I have. And also, if you use money affirmations, tell me down below what's your favorite money affirmation. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope that you implement Money Mondays, and if you do, let me know how Money Mondays work out for you. I will talk to you all in the next one. Peace.